In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view your Best Buy order history. To get started, open the Best Buy app on your phone or tablet or go to the Best Buy website in your browser. Either option works, so you can choose whichever is more convenient for you. If you prefer a larger screen, the website may feel a little easier to navigate, but the process is very similar on both. Once you're on Best Buy, sign into your account. Make sure you use the same account you used when placing your orders, since your order history is tied to that specific login. If you have more than one account, it's worth double checking that you're signed into the correct one before moving forward. After signing in, go to the Account or My Account section. This is where Best Buy keeps your personal account settings and purchase information. Depending on whether you're using the app or the website, the wording or placement may look slightly different, but you'll want to look for the area that manages your profile and purchases. From there, select Orders or Order History. This will take you to a page that shows your current and previous orders in one place. It's a helpful section if you want to track a recent purchase, confirm what you bought in the past, or locate a receipt. Now browse through the list of your current and past orders. You may see recent purchases first, along with information like the order date, total, or current status. Take your time and scroll until you find the order you want to review. When you find it, click or tap on that order to open the full details. Inside, you can review important information such as the order status, the items you purchased, payment details, and shipping information. This is useful if you need to confirm delivery details, check whether an item has shipped, or review exactly what was included in the purchase. If you need a copy for your records, look for the option to download or print the receipt. This can be especially helpful for returns, reimbursements, warranty documentation, or general expense tracking. When you're done viewing that order, return to the order history page to look at any additional orders you need. You can repeat the same process for each one. And that's it. That's how to view your Best Buy order history quickly and easily.